Ed here with the Digital Digest, and today I wanted to share a quick unboxing and first look at the Sabrent USB Type-C tool-free enclosure for M.2 PCIe, NVMe, and serial ATA SSDs. So recently I unboxed both of these guys, which are dual NVMe enclosures. This one is meant to, of course, just house two Thunderbolt 3 capable NVMe's, or rather give you Thunderbolt 3 access to two NVMe drives. This, on the other hand, supports two drives, but is really all about offline cloning and the capability not just to access those drives, but again, clone them. That's why you have a whole interface. 150 US for this, 120 for this, at least on sale right now. This is the complete opposite. This is just a traditional tool-free enclosure. I believe right now $27. Sabrent's also given me a coupon for those of you that are interested in purchasing it to knock a few more dollars off. I'll include a link in the description as well as the coupon code. And this is USB 3.2, of course Type-C, and backwards compatible. So an affordable enclosure, I think, for everyone, unlike these two, which are really aimed at very specific users. This is aimed at the rest of us. So, as I mentioned, tool-free. I think this tops out at around 1,000 megabytes per second, so nearly a gig is what Sabrent is quoting it at. Plug and play, no drivers needed, it's bus powered. And let's get it out of the package. Take a look. We've got two seals here. And, at $27, there are a lot of different enclosures you can buy in the marketplace, but I trust Sabrent. I mean, literally just about every product they've sent me for review and that I've purchased on my own, because that's how our relationship actually started, was that I was purchasing Sabrent products before they reached out to me. They've all been quality. That's one thing I can say, whether we're talking about just their enclosures, which are generally all aluminum, to their record-breaking NVMe drives that are at 8 terabytes. I don't know if we've got a 16 one coming out soon, but they just make really good products and do so at affordable prices in all forms. I mean, if you're looking for their smaller, their nano drives, their rugged nano drives, their Q drives, I mean, just good stuff. So pretty straightforward. We've got a Type-C, I believe a 3.2 cable included right there. And that's it. And it's a sandwich design. So you just press that button right there, you pop it open, and that's it. And based on whatever size NVMe that you're using, that's what all of those different adjustment holes are for you to place this little guy, the little nub, into the appropriate hole and use it accordingly, depending on the size drive. And that's it. Literally just open it up, close it up, and you're good to go. Now, to demonstrate dropping a drive in there, which I will do, nothing else in the packaging, paperwork, just so you can see how easy it is, I'm going to go ahead and pop this guy open, which I just did a video on. Whoop, and go ahead and remove the 4 terabyte that we're looking at right there. Want to leave this with it though, because this is specific to that dual cloning dock. And so you've got your NVMe, just pop it open. Again, completely tool free. So I'm going to pull this guy out and go ahead and go in at a 45 degree, I've got this the wrong way, of course, don't I? 45 degree angle. So once you've got that slotted in, which it looks like we're good to go, go ahead and just thread this little rubber piece right on. And now I should be able to just push down, and that should be it. It should be. Yep, that's it. I don't know how much easier it could be. And again, you just got to make sure it clicks in. Thermal pad's already in there. Really lightweight, but still aluminum, and should do well on heat dissipation based on their design here, unlike other manufacturers out there. And that's it. This is, to my knowledge, the most affordable enclosure that Sabrent makes. And again, I don't know how much more simple this can really be to open and close. and, you know, hot swap any drive that you want. Just make sure you get that click, that audible click, and you'll feel it as well to make sure it's closed up. But again, check out the link in the description as well as the coupon code they gave me if you want to knock a few dollars off. But I will be testing this out, but I'm expecting good things. I mean, the throughput should be the throughput. I've yet to test a Sabrent drive that didn't deliver on their claimed transfer speeds. Here, you know, it's what you expect with USB 3.2. And again, backwards compatible, so you don't have to worry about that. And, you know, an included 3.2 cable. Short throw on it because, again, the length of the cable can end up affecting the data throughput. Any questions or comments, please feel free to post them. Hit that like button. And as usual, please feel free to subscribe and please stay safe. Later.